ಲೋವಿ ಲೋವಿ ಏನದು ಲೋವಿ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಯ್ ಬಯಲಿದೆ ಲೋವಿ ಇದು be as big as a cat or a dog, and their spikes are only bigger than this animal. This is a hedgehog. Hedgehog is another animal. Guinea pig. Guinea pigs are very cute little animals. They belong to the same family as lily and squirrel animals. ಈ ಕಡೆ ತರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಏನದ ಕಳಿ ಕಳಿ ಬಾ ಬಾ ಬನ್ನಿ hate it. Thanks. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಯ್ಯ ಹೆಂಗಂದಿದ್ದ ರವಿ
ಟು ಮಚ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಲವಿ ಲವಿ
ಲವಿ ಎದ್ದಾಡ
ಹಾಯ್ 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 ಹಾಯ್
You are done. Next animal then. I call him Puchu. Puchu. Puchu in I'm a Bengali, so in Bengali Puchu means small and cute. कितने लोग हैं? Not 1.5 or 5.0.
Terka terka. Hai. Mo. Loi, hai. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಲೋವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋ ದೋ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಹಾ ಅಪ್ಪ ಹತ್ತು
ಬೇಡ ಬಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಪ್ಪ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ
Bird now? Okay. So, you are seeing the world's largest bird and it's flightless. And how to identify a male and female? Try to guess. The lower male mates with the female. The babies will be got with abnormality. Nature doesn't want any abnormality. Nature only wants the who can survive in the nature.
ಬಿಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ
And one fact about the oxygen guys, you have to classify them now. Their brain is smaller than their eyes. Only walnut size of a brain they have. So they have the lesser IQ level. That's why they do dumb things.
ಹಾಂ ನಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
They use their likes to eat. That's why they
ಬಾ ಬಿಡ ಲವಿ ಎತ್ತರ ಲವಿ ಬರ ಲವಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕ ಲವಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕ ಹಾಯ್
relax. Their meat. For the meat purpose, they have created this stuff. And later on, they are not normal like other dogs. They have the fables color. Can you see the emerald green color on their body? Next, okay, go stop.
ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಓದ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ
Differentiate now. This one is a duck and this one okay. The long neck and with the bump on their beak.
ಮೇಲು
Those are the geese. And the flat beak and the yellow body white. These are the Chinese ducks. And these are the normal Indian ducks. You know one thing about float now? They have on the back the oily glands on the wax glands. Like
ಹಾಂ ಬಿಡು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಲವಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕ ಹಿಡ್ಕ ಲವಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕ ಹೋಗ ಹೋಗೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಹೋಗು ಏ ಹಿಡ್ಕ 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 ತಿನ್ಸು ನೀನು ತಿನ್ಸು ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಐ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಡಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲವಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊ ಹಂಗೆ ಲವಿ ಕಡೆ ಬಾ 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 ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಕೊಡು ಕೊಡು
అంటే సాక్షి
Love it. Come on. కూర్చో
Please come on. Okay, that's not the way. That's not the way to hurt him. First, they're a symbol of love. In many countries, they consider as a symbol of love. And as you can see, they are very territorial. As I go closer to them, you see the bird. So he's the male, protecting the female. They are very protective towards their partners. Yes. And these are the black swans. And they are the most
ಏನೋ ಲೋವೆ ಹೂವ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಮ್ಮ ಬೋನ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕ ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡ್ಕ ಪ್ಯಾರಡೈಸ್ ಹಾಯ್ 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 ಮಾಡು ಅಯ್ಯ ಹಾಯ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡು ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡು ಹಾಯ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡು ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡು ಹಾಯ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಮುತ್ಕೊಡು ಮುದ್ದಿಡ್ಕೊ ಲವ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ ಲೋಗೋ ಹಿಡ್ಕಳ
They can become an easy prey for the predator because they can't fly. See the pattern of the birds. Have you seen why they fly? The first one know all their roots when they are and next they'll have a female. In the middle they have the babies on it. They have the strongest and the males. Okay, to protect them. That's why they migrate like that. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕರಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು ಅದು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಚಿಕನ್. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಪುಕ್ಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂಥರ ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಮೂತಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಿವಿ ಬಂದು ಗಡ್ಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಳಿಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸಿಲ್ಕಿ ಚಿಕನ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಏನು ಲವ್ ಅದು ಹಾಯ್ ಏನು ಹಾಯ್ ಲವೇ
we have seen the goats over there, na? So why are we meeting the other goats here? Is there any difference? Yes. These are the mountain goats. So what's the difference between the normal goats and the mountain goats?
They live in mountain.
Okay, can you see their horns?
Mm-hmm.
Different. And can
Hi.
you see their fur? They have the thicker fur.
ಲವೇ ಕರಿ
Why in that condition they have the thicker fur? And can you see their height? They have the lesser height. The lesser the height, the more balanced to get climb on the mountain. So we can go inside. Be quick, you're coming inside. If you're coming inside, be quick. Okay, that's not the way how to hold them. Just pick them by this.
ಲವಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊ
Go. You know how do they impress the females? They do the headbangs. Okay, Kakala, leave it. See, he's moving. Is the mountain goat? He's climbing. Hey, that's not the right.
ತೆಗ್ದಾ ಮುದ್ದುಬಿಟ್ಟು
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲ
ಮುದ್ದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕುತ್ಕೋ ಕುತ್ಕೋ
ಕೆಮ್ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಸಿ ಹೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್
ಬಕ್ರಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟು ಹತ್ತಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ರಿ ತಿರ್ಸಿ ಅಯ್ಯ
ವೈಟ್ ಇದೆ
ಹಾಯ್
and the difference they have the 3 toes and behind their head those holes are their ears and one more in the case of emu the male will incubate the egg for 2 months without having any food.
ಲವಿ ಲವಿ ತೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕ ನಿಂತ್ಕ ಇರು 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 ಇದು ಇಡ್ಕ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಲವಿ ಲವಿ ಹಾಯ್ ಬಿಡ ಬಿಡ ಅವನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ
They use dwarf animals to carry the guest and the luggage.
ಲವಿ
These are the excellent luggage carriers and the climbers too because of their short height just like the mountain. And to survive in the city. So the first dwarf, what comes to your mind when you hear the word donkey?
ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಫೆಲ್ಲ
Yeah, what?
ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಫೆಲ್ಲ
Luggage waste. Oh, that was luggage carriers. Let me tell you the replies I got. Somebody said reminds me of my best friend about heading out. Somebody said my wife. Somebody said I think I'm flirt. Somebody said my sister. Somebody said
ಇಡ್ಕ ಹಾಂ
the donkeys. If you agree, say yes or else no. Who antiro?
ಇಡ್ಕ ಇಡ್ಕ ಲವಿ
First thing, donkeys are the cleanest animal. And even the temperature rises, their body temperature remains the same. And if you take a closer look, you'll never find external parasites like ticks, fleas, with bekkal they were in the donkey's body. See? And donkeys are the cleanest. Hence, take a look at their enclosure. They not like the other animals peeing and pooping everywhere. The elder of the family decides where to pee and poop. The rest of the family follows the. What else you expect from it?
ಹಡ್ಡಾಡ್ ಮಣ್ಣು ಅಡ್ಡ ಕೊಂಗಂತ ಇತ್ತು ಆಡಿಸಿ
Digest the milk. So the cobra should be scared of these guys because they can eat and digest them easily. And as you can see, they always try to dig and live in a burrow. And as a desert family, the whole body will be covered with fur. These are fishes.
ಹಾಯ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡು ಹಾಯ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕ 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 ಲವ್ಯ ಹಿಡ್ಕ ಹಿಡ್ಕ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ಲವ್ಯ
Done and start off with the session. Just stand on the side. Meeting. Okay, so how was it so far? Have to wait is because beautiful things are going to be the last.
pets and it's been working with animals from past 4.5 to 5 years now. It will be easy for us to guide. Okay, so cool. Any guesses what this animal is? ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
ಒತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾನು ದುಡ್ಡೇನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಕೂಡ
ಹುಡ ಒಬ್ಬ
ಇಗ್ವಾನ. Okay, so cool. ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So and these guys can grow up to like 4.5 to 5 feet in length and this fat.
ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಇವಾಗ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ we just actually tame them. So any animal which comes into the farm, we direct ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ get scared. So we'll take the animals there, we'll train them in such a way that they'll be calm. Food ಕೊಟ್ಟು hey nala get up out
ವೆಜ್
100% vegetarian. ಇದು ಮಾಂಸ ತೆಗೆದು ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದು ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಫುಡ್? ಹೈಬಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್, ದಾಸವಾಳ ಹೂವು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮಲ್ಬೆರಿ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ಮಲ್ಬೆರಿ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ವರ್ಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಮಾಲ್ಬರೋ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಲ್ಬೆರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಯಾ ದೀಸ್ ಗೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಮಿ ಹಾರ್ಬೋರಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಸೆಮಿ ಹಾರ್ಬೋರಿಯಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಲವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆನ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಮರ ಮತ್ತು ಭೂಮಿ ಎರಡೂ ಮೇಲಿರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮರ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಜಾಡೋದು, ನೀರಲ್ಲ ತಾನು ಮನೇಲಿ ಈಜಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ದೇ ಲವ್ ಟು ಸ್ವಿಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನೀವು ಗಾಡ್ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಗಾಡ್ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ? ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಗಾಡ್ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅ ಮರೀನ್ ಇಗ್ವಾನಾ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಗಾಡ್ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಫೋಟೋ ಮತ್ತು ಮರೀನ್ ಇಗ್ವಾನಾದ ಫೋಟೋ ಎತ್ತಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್, ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೇಲ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಬಾಲ ಏನಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಪಿನ್ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವಿಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಲ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಯ ಆದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಮಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ಟೇಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಗ್ವಾನಾಸ್ ವಿಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಟ್. ಅಷ್ಟು ಡೀಪಾಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಟಚ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹೆಡ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಪೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. Don't go to the head and don't go to the tail. ನಾನು KGF ಫೈಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಂದು ಬಾಲ
ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡು, ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡು.
All iguanas are like this. They just eat, chill. Lizards, they're very fast. Even they are very fast. Okay. So you see this marine iguana, the rock ones, the ones in the wild, the black one, they are very fast. Even these guys are fast. This guy is a very, calm is very because we like trained him. He was this small in books. So he is used to doing it. They are wild iguanas. Look at this. They are very fast. Okay, so ಹಂಗೆ ಪಟ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. we'll have to discuss a few things. Why? Because see, in India we have n number of human deaths only causing by snakes. Okay, so there is something called big four snakes of India which is causing n number of human deaths. Number 1 is your spectacled cobra, also called as your Nagra havu. Number 2 is your Russell's viper, also called as your Kolak mandla. Number 3 is your saw scale viper, also called as your Garakasa mandala. Number 4 is your common crate snake, which is also called as your Katta havu. Okay, trust me, the common crate Katta havu has the most toxic venom in Asia. Nagra havu kinta 18 20 ಪಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವಿಷ ಕಾಮನ್ ಕ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, they are most toxic venom they are. Okay.
Is it more than rattlesnake also?
Yes. We have to discuss. What will you do if you got bit by a snake?
You just cut and remove the bad.
Bad blood, how will you do it? Suck and spit?
Not second step. You have to tie the
You will tie it. Okay, then any other methods you guys know? That's it. Tying a knot, right? Let me tell you again. Tying a knot is also a very bad idea. Why? Because I'll give you with a small example, okay? So you take a drop of soap, put it in a small bowl of water, another drop of soap in a big bucket of water. Which is more concentrated? The smaller one. So the same exact thing happens here. For example, you got bit by a snake here, you're tying a knot here, your whole arm is getting infected. So after you tying, you go to the hospital. What you have to do is, they just amputate your hand. They just cut your hand. It's why? Because it's of no use. So what you'll have to do, please do not tie a knot. Number one thing you have to do when you got bit by a snake, call for help. Please do not call your best friends. Is why? Because
They are
you
the
know
one.
what they'll tell? How kachta? Idan kai kachis ko macha. Send me a video macha. Do a video call and show me how it bit you macha. See, I'm just telling. Anybody who's willing to help you, just call for help. Number two, rush to the nearest government hospitals only. You have to go to the government hospitals only. Is why? Because government hospitals has the accessibility to keep the anti-venom ready in their premises. Okay, whereas the private hospitals has to come back to the government hospital, take the anti-venom and then come back out. Bando, ee Bangalore traffic al tarasthalli, you would have passed out. Okay. So, from the moment you have got bitten by a snake till you're in the hospital, you have only one mission, that is, keep yourself calm. Number one, main thing, do not pass out. Tale sutti bidogbedi. Number two, do not eat anything or do not drink anything. Why? Because again, blood flow increases, there are chances you may get infected very soon. Number three, anything tight on your body, just remove it off. It's better being naked than you die. Okay, so please do that and keep your body movements to the minimum. Do not do this, that and do not run to the hospitals. Why? Because it is just like you fixing a time bomb on you and fast forwarding the time. You may die on the streets. Okay, so as soon as you reach the government hospital, they do something called the blood coagulation test. So before what we have to do, what we were doing, how kachi takshana, we have to come to the doctor and tell him which snake, where it bit and how was the snake and all. But now they do something called blood coagulation test. In that test, they'll come to know how much % of venom is there on your body. Okay, accordingly they'll give you the anti-venom shot. Fun fact about snakes, your anti-venom is made by the same snake's venom as well. They take the venom, add some proteins and vitamins, they dilute it and then they give it to you. Okay, and another fun fact, if you just calculate the whole population of snakes we have in India, 97% of the snakes are non-venomous. Only the 3% of the snakes are highly venomous, but this 97% are excellent mimicry artists. They look like, they move like, they behave like the 3%. Okay, see, I have a very fair share of experience in handling king cobras. I have rescued king cobras, spectacled cobras, Russell's viper, everything. But still, I am also not sure about the snakes in the wild. Why? Because you will not know at what time which just snaps like that. You will not know the behavior of the snake. So please treat each and every snake as a venomous snake in the wild. Why take chance? Stay alive, be happy. I have a lot of things to do. Okay, so done with the intro. I mean, the lecture, I know everybody will start the lecture. Give me the snake. No, we will have to discuss it. Good. So what you see on my hands, both of the hands here, on my left hand side it's called African ball python. Okay, why African is because these guys originate from Africa, and ball python is why because their defensive mechanism. I mean, once they are scared or once they are not sure about the surroundings, they just curl into a small kind of ball. Okay, yes. So meet Mr. Karthik S. Prabhu. He is the man behind this empire. Okay, he owns this place and he's worked with a lot of animals like lions, tigers, alligators, crocodiles, everything. And he's been inspiring a lot of youngsters like me. Okay, so please give him a round of applause. Thank you so much, man. Cool. Okay, so and pythons and boas are called constrictors. Do you guys know what you mean by constrictors? Any idea what do they mean? Constrictors mean, for example, what will a cobra, will it bite? It will surely bite. Hallenu kitakiralla navu. It will have 150 pin sharp teeth all over the jaw. They will bite if you mishandle them or if you stress them. Okay. And they will not be giving the snakes onto small children. This is why, because I tell you the main reason. They'll pick up a snake here today. They'll go home. When they're playing, they see a wild snake in the roads or in the field. They will surely tend to go pick it up. Okay. So I will just there. I mean, small kids can touch it, but we're not going to give snakes onto them. Okay. So what do you have to do? I'll give the snake with your hands. Take a picture and please start moving to the bird section. Okay. Please be fast because there's another batch waiting outside. Cool. We'll start. Come. Both the hands flat like that. 100% sure ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
That's it.
Ali, you can wait. I'll only come there. The video.
ಇರ್ಕತ್ಯಾ
Once they coil around, ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. It's a long way. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಚೋಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ both the hands. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಬಿಹೇವ್
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೋರ್ಸನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊ ಹಾಂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎತ್ತು ಇನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊ
ನಾನು ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಡನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಸರಿ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೋದಾ ಇಟ್ಕ
birds. Come on.
ಹಾಂ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲವೇ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ
ನೋಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಬನ್ನಿ
ಹೋಗು ಅವೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವೇ ನೀನು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊ ಎಡಕೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತವೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನೋಡು ಇರೋ ನಾವು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಇರೋ ಹಾಂ ಇರೋ ಹೌದು ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಲವಿ ಇಟ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇನ್ನ ಕುಡಿ ಬ್ರದರ್. ಇನ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಟು
ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡೈತಿ ಮನೆಗೆ
ಇರು ಹಂಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ನು ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನು ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಇರು ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇರು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಂಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡ್ಕೊ ತಲೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನು ತಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೋವಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋ ಬಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾ 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 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋ ಹೋಗು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೋ.
ಬಾ ಮೇಘ.
ಕೊಡು ಕೊಡು ಕೊಡು.
Everyone, please.
చాలా అన్ని ఇట్లా
ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನೋಡಿದಂಗೆ ಏನೋ ಇದು ಮಂಕೀಸ್ ಮಂಕೀಸ್ ಸೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಹೇಳು ಅನ್ನಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಹೇಳ ಬಾಯ್ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮಿ ಅನ್ನಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಲವ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಹೇಳ ಬಾಯ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಬರ ಲವಿ ಬಾ 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 ದ